If you live in Groveport, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing, or you're thinking about downsizing at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in Groveport and sellers and homeowners in Groveport to help them move on from their property, help them downsize, because we buy Groveport houses for cash, and we buy Groveport houses in their as-is condition. Now, we get a lot of phone calls and a lot of people on our website every single month, and a large majority of these, it's probably the most common call that we get, is people downsizing. So I already know with your Groveport house, you're not in a desperate situation. This isn't a fire sale. You're not looking to give it away. You've probably been there for years. You probably have a ton of memories at this property. We're going to respect all of this. And you're probably just looking for something that's smaller, less upkeep, less maintenance. It's very common. We work with a lot of people in Groveport selling for the same reason. And we're going to treat you fair from beginning to end. We're neighbors. We're local. This isn't some call center that you're calling into. And we're very experienced at working with homeowners. And the reason people love working with us, people who are downsizing from their Groveport home, is because we're going to keep it easy. We're an as-is buyer. So this is different than a traditional buyer that's maybe working with a realtor or a real estate agent, because those buyers, these traditional buyers, they have to qualify for a loan most times, and if the loan doesn't go through, now you're kind of back to square one. Or maybe the realtor, if you were to list with a realtor, they want to do an open house and have 100 people walking through the property. And a lot of people that we talk to, they don't want to have to deal with that, or traditional buyers. When we make you an offer, it's going to be a fair offer on your property, but it's going to be a cash offer. So that means there's no approvals needed, no formal inspections and appraisals and hoops to jump through or anything like that. We can buy the house in its as-is condition. So you don't need to fix anything. If anything's dated, I'm sure the house is in decent condition, and that's perfectly great. You don't need to remodel anything or give us repair credits or install new cabinets, or there's zero work that you need to do to the property. You don't even need to clean it. You don't even need to haul anything away. We'll buy the property in its as-is condition, and when we buy it, we're going to buy it for cash so we could close on your timeline. And this is very important. It's often overlooked, but if you need flexibility, like you need to line up your new place, if you need help finding a new place, we can assist with that. A condo, maybe something that's going to be less maintenance and less upkeep for you, perfect. We can help you with all that. But if we need flexibility to where we need to identify something first before you sell the Groveport house, perfect, we'll help you with that. We can provide flexibility simply because we are a cash buyer. There's no approvals or bank approvals or anything like that. If you need to move fast, maybe you've already found a place, or maybe you've already moved, we can move quickly as well. So if you need speed, we can do that, accommodate that. If you need flexibility, that's perfectly great. And when you call us, our number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. But when we get on the phone, we just need to know more about the house there in Groveport and know more about the time frame and the timeline that you're working with. And then we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the Groveport house. If it works for you, great. We'll move forward, and we're going to communicate extremely transparently and extremely clearly with you through this whole process. You're always going to know where everything's at. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure, fake urgency, or sales tactics or gimmicks. So if you have a house in Groveport, Ohio, you're looking to downsize, this is a very special time in your life. We look forward to being a part of this journey and helping you sell your Groveport house. We buy Groveport houses, have been for many years, and we have hundreds of references, testimonials, and positive reviews. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very simple form, and then we'll get on the phone. Keep it easy. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.